To write a number in expanded form, you need to look at the value of each of the digits and then add them up. So we're actually going to look at the specific place value that the digits are sitting in, and you will actually multiply them out. So I'll start down here at the left and look at the 2. The number 2, or the digit 2, is sitting in the 10 billion spot. So the value of that digit will be 2 times, and I can put a little time sign, 10 billion, which is the place value that it's sitting in. Which means that it's worth 20 billion when you actually multiply that out. And then our decimal point is right down here at the end, and you can actually just put zeros there. Now we're going to look at, and I'll erase this. Now we're looking at the 1. And when we look at the 1 is in the billions place, so 1 times a billion, I'm just multiplying it by its place value, gives me 1 billion. And notice I'm lining up the place values the best I can so that this column right here is all lined up. The next group I have, I don't have any zeros, and I don't have any zeros here, but I see I've got the digit 5. It's sitting in the millions place. So I'll come over here and write what the value of it is, which is 5 times a million. And most people are noticing a shortcut at this point. The shortcut here, instead of having to always think about multiplying, is just to basically put the number down that you see, the digit you see there, and then everything behind it is basically turning into a 0. So that's a shortcut that you can use if you don't want to have to multiply it out every time in your head. So if I use the shortcut, I'll have 300,000 for the next one. Then I will have the 2, which stands for 20,000. I'm just ending it with zeros. Then I've got the 1. 1 is in the thousand spot, so 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. Decimal point, 0, 0. Then I've got nothing here, so I can skip it. Now the 1 is in the tens place. And then I've got a 4 in the ones place. And then to end it off, we need to finish up with those decimals. So this one doesn't really count for anything. And then we can just put 0.09 to end it off. To check your answer, you could add it up. And when you add it up, make sure everything is lining up. And you should end up with the original number when you add it up. So you should end up with 21 billion, 5,321,014 and 900ths when you add that up. And that's expanded notation when you sum the value of the digits.